This is the second part of Chapter 15. Every major industry sponsors annual trade shows, which are exhibitions where manufacturers, dealers, and buyers get together for demonstrations and discussions. More than 14,000 industrial, scientific, and medical shows are held in the United States each year, and many companies exhibit at more than one show. Trade shows are also very important for global marketers because they may be the only place where an advertiser can meet the company's major international prospects at one time. The construction of trade show booths and exhibits has become a major factor in sales promotion plans. To stop traffic, a booth must be impactful and attractive and have good lighting and a large visual. It should also provide a comfortable atmosphere to promote conversation between salespeople and prospects. Many trade show exhibitors use state-of-the-art technology, such as holograms, fiber optics, and interactive computer systems to attract and hold the attention of visitors. Planning pivots on four major areas: the budget, the image of the company or brand, the frequency of the shows, and the flexibility of the booth configuration. In planning the actual exhibits or trade show booths, advertisers need to consider numerous factors: size and location of the space, desired image or impression of the exhibit, complexities of shipping, installing, and dismantling, number of products to be displayed, need for storage and distribution of literature, use of pre-show advertising and promotion, and the cost of all these factors. Trade shows are expensive, and costs have increased substantially in the last decade. A large company may spend $1 million or more on a booth for one trade show. With staffers, travel, living, and salary expenses and pre-show promotion added to booth costs, the cost per visitor engaged averages $274. Despite the expense, trade shows can still be a cost-effective way to reach sales prospects less expensive than a sales call. To build traffic for a trade show booth or exhibit, marketers send out personal invitations, conduct direct mail campaigns, place ads in trade publications, issue news releases, and perform telemarketing. The company representatives staffing the booth personify the type of service the customer can expect to receive. They should be articulate, people-oriented, enthusiastic, knowledgeable about the product, and empathetic listeners. A company's trade show effort may be wasted if prospects' names are not collected and organized properly. Each lead should be evaluated as to the prospect's readiness to receive another contact. The resulting lead list is the link to future sales and augments the company's prospect database. Follow-up contacts are key to extracting the maximum value from trade shows. Packaging encompasses the physical appearance of the container and includes design, color, shape, labeling, and materials. Packaging serves marketers in four major ways: protection, preservation, information, and promotion. Although the protection and preservation aspects reduce the costly effects of damage, pilferage, and spoilage, the importance of packaging as an informational and promotional tool cannot be underestimated. An attractive package can create an immediate relationship with the customer, influence in-store shopping decisions, help set the product apart from competitors, and inform customers of the product's features and benefits. Designers consider three factors: the package's standout appeal, how it communicates verbally and non-verbally, and the prestige or image desired. As manufacturers continue to produce environmentally safe packaging, the marketer's cost of materials rises. And what some consumers expect from green packaging is not necessarily what manufacturers traditionally offer or what marketing intermediaries prefer to use. With the public's growing concern for the environment, especially in international markets, recyclable tin-coated steel and aluminum packaging are enjoying a resurgence in popularity. Government agencies also influence package design. The Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, for example, and the Nutrition Labeling and Education Act of 1990, which actually went into effect in 1994, imposed stricter labeling requirements for nutrition and health products. Additional legislation is pending that would require the labeling of all genetically engineered foods. Sometimes a state's packaging requirements differ from the federal government's, adding even more complexity for manufacturers. There are many reasons to change a package: product alteration or improvement, substitution in packaging materials, competitive pressures, environmental concerns, changes in legislation, or the need to increase brand recognition. Advertisers spend millions researching and promoting new images, and packages have to reflect a contemporary brand image consistent with constantly changing consumer perceptions and desires. However, marketers must always exercise caution. Designers should change packaging very gradually to avoid confusing consumers. Sales promotion is a direct inducement that offers extra incentive anywhere along the marketing route to enhance or accelerate the product's movement from producer to consumer. With this definition, there are three important elements to consider. Sales promotion may be used anywhere in the marketing channel, from manufacturer to wholesaler, wholesaler to dealer, dealer to customer, or manufacturer to customer. It normally involves a direct inducement, such as money, prizes, extra products, gifts, or specialized information, that provide extra incentives to buy now or buy more, visit a store, request literature, display a product, or take some other action. It's designed to change the timing of a purchase or to shift inventory to others in the channel. Effective sales promotion accomplishes a number of things. First of all, it adds tangible, immediate, extra value to the brand. This is why we refer to sales promotion as the value-added tool. Second, by adding immediate value, sales promotion maximizes sales volume. A short-term price cut or rebate, for instance, may be very effective at boosting sales. While advertising helps develop and reinforce a quality, differentiated brand reputation and build long-term market value, sales promotion helps build short-term market volume. To become a market leader, therefore, a brand needs both advertising and sales promotion. Finally, when all brands appear to be equal, sales promotion can be more effective than advertising in motivating customers to try a new brand or to select one brand over another. It can also motivate some customers who might be unmoved by advertising efforts. And sales promotions often generate a more immediate, measurable payoff than traditional advertising campaigns. This is why we might also refer to sales promotion as the sales accelerator. Advertisers need to understand the negative effects of sales promotion too. For instance, excessive sales promotion at the expense of advertising can reduce profitability. Some marketers believe a proper expenditure balance for consumer packaged goods products is approximately 60% for trade and consumer promotion, 40% for advertising. A high level of trade sales promotion relative to advertising and consumer sales promotion has a positive effect on short-term market share, but may have a negative effect on brand attitudes and long-term market share. Without an effective advertising effort to emphasize brand image and quality, customers become deal-prone rather than brand loyal. An overemphasis on price, whether in advertising or sales promotion, eventually destroys brand equity. Another drawback of sales promotion is its high cost. One analysis showed that only 16% of sales promotions were profitable. In other words, many manufacturers spend more than $1 to generate an extra $1 of profits. Finally, overly aggressive sales promotion or advertising can draw competitors into a price war, which leads to reduced sales and profits for everyone. Pull strategies are designed to attract customers and increase demand for the product. Consumer advertising and consumer sales promotions are examples of pull strategies because they're designed to induce consumers to seek out or ask for the product, in effect pulling the product through the pipeline. Today, some national advertisers spend more dollars on trade sales promotions than on either consumer sales promotions or media advertising. But that is often the price they have to pay to gain and maintain distribution, without which they cannot make any sales. To move their product through the distribution channel from the point of manufacture to the point of consumption, marketers employ two types of strategies, push and pull. Push strategies are primarily designed to secure the cooperation of retailers. Trade promotions, which are sales promotions aimed at members of the distribution channel, are one of the principal tactics marketers use to push products through the distribution pipeline and gain shelf space. Marketers may also use trade advertising, which is advertising in publications read by members of the trade, as a push tactic. A push strategy begins with the producer directing marketing communications at resellers. The resellers then send their own marketing communications to end users. A pull strategy begins with the producer sending marketing communications to end users. The end users then request products from resellers. The resellers subsequently request those products from the producers that initiated the marketing communication. Walk into any store and notice the number of display materials and advertising-like devices that are designed to build traffic, exhibit and advertise the product, and promote impulse buying. Collectively, these are all referred to as point of purchase or POP materials. A coupon is a certificate with a stated value presented to the retail store for a price reduction on a specified item. Coupons may be distributed in newspapers or magazines, door to door, on packages, in stores, by direct mail, or online. High-tech electronic coupons work like paper coupons in that they entitle the shopper to a discount, but their method of distribution is entirely different. Interactive touchscreens at the point of purchase and coupon printers at checkout counters generate instant discounts, rebates, and offers to try new brands. Electronic couponing targets consumers with specific offers in ways that would not be possible with paper coupons. Cents-off promotions are short-term reductions in the price of a product in the form of cents-off packages, 1-cent sales, free offers, and box-top refunds. Some packages bear a special cents-off sticker, which the clerk removes and credits at the checkout counter. Rebates are larger cash refunds on items from cars to household appliances. Research indicates that many people purchase a product because of an advertised rebate, but never collect the rebate because of the inconvenience. This is known as slippage. Consumer Union indicates that 60% of all rebates go unfulfilled. A premium is an item offered free or at a bargain price to encourage the consumer to buy an advertised product. Premiums affect purchase behavior the same way as rebates, but tend to be more effective at getting consumers to buy a product they didn't really need. Sampling is the most costly of all sales promotions. It is also one of the most effective for new products because it offers consumers a free trial in hopes of converting them to habitual use. In polybagging, samples are delivered in plastic bags with the daily newspaper or a monthly magazine. This enables distribution to targeted readers and lets publications give their subscribers added value at no cost. In-store sampling is very popular. Most in-store sampling programs are tied to a coupon campaign. Depending on the nature of the product, samples can be used as either a push strategy or a pull strategy. Food and drug marketers use combination offers, such as a razor and a package of blades or a toothbrush with a tube of toothpaste at a reduced price for the two. For best results, the items should be related. Sometimes a combination offer introduces a new product by tying its purchase to an established product at a special price. Many people use the term contests and sweepstakes interchangeably. Technically, however, a contest offers prizes based on an entrant's skill. For example, an entrant needs to answer a question correctly or submit an original recipe. A sweepstakes offers prizes based solely on a chance drawing of entrants' names. A game has the chance element of a sweepstakes, but is conducted over a longer time, like McDonald's Monopoly game. A game's big marketing advantage is that customers must make repeat visits to the dealer to continue playing. Contests, sweepstakes, and games all encourage consumption of the product by creating consumer involvement. I'd like to address push strategies a bit further. In response to the glut of new products, some retailers charge manufacturers slotting allowances, which are fees ranging from $15,000 to $40,000 or more for the privilege of obtaining shelf or floor space for a new product. The practice is controversial because some manufacturers think they're being forced to subsidize the retailer's cost of doing business. Smaller manufacturers complain that the allowances shut out all but the largest suppliers. In addition, some retailers capitalize on trade discounts by engaging in forward buying or diverting. With forward buying, a retailer stocks up on a product when it's on discount and buys smaller amounts when it sells at a regular price. Diverting means using the promotional discount to purchase large quantities of an item in one region and then shipping portions of the buy to areas where the discount isn't offered. More and more stores charge manufacturers display allowances.